In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under industrialization. So guys, we're going to focus on privatization and commercialization. We have 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the primary objective of establishing the export processing zone is to have erect structures that will facilitate the processing of imported raw materials, erect economic structures near the port, encourage the production and processing of export commodities, facilitate agricultural production. So guys, the right answer is option C, which is to encourage the production and processing of export commodities. Very important. The next repeated question is this one. It says the privatization of public enterprises will lead to efficient management of resources in the economy. This statement can best be described as we have positive reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, normative reasoning. So guys, the right answer is option D, which is normative reasoning. Very important. Next question is this one. It says ways by which government encourages industrialization are all except we have protection of infant industries, insufficient capital, establishment of higher institutions, development of infrastructural facilities. The right answer is option B, which this is the exception, insufficient capital. Next question is this one. It says the concept of privatization presupposes we have market price, foreign trade, efficiency, indigenization. The right answer is option C, which is efficiency. Very important. The next question is this one. It says the privatization exercise in Nigeria is a move towards a real subsistence economy, mixed economy, command economy, market economy. The right answer is option D, which is market economy. Very important. Next question is this one. It says privatization of government-owned companies means the recapitalization of distressed government-owned companies, relinquishing of government equity, participation to private individuals, joint participation of government and private individuals, commercialization and the regulation of the economy. The right answer is option B, which is relinquishing of government equity participation to private individuals. That's what privatization of government-owned companies means. Okay. The next question is this one. It says one of the instruments of production in infant industries is the we have tariff, price control board, GDP deflector, open market operation. The right answer is option A, tariff. Very important, guys. Next question is this one. It says the main reason for the current program of privatization and commercialization of public enterprises in Nigeria is to reduce the number of public enterprises, raise the prices of goods and services produced by the enterprises, reduce public expenditure, encourage efficiency in the performance of such enterprise. The right answer is option D, encourage efficiency in the performance of such enterprise. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the transfer of public shareholding in corporations to private enterprises is we have option A, we have privatization, incorporation, commercialization, concession. The question, let's read it again. Say the transfer of public shareholding in corporation to private enterprises is, so it's very simple. Option A, privatization. Next question is this one. It says a disadvantage of concentrating industries in an area is that it could result in environmental pollution, bring about diseconomies of scale, increase the cost of production, lead to collusion among the firms. The right answer is option A, which is result in environmental pollution. Very important. Next question is this one. It says privatization and commercialization of public enterprise in Nigeria is necessitated by we have the IBRD conditions, the operational inefficiency, the IMF condition, the government loss of interest in them. Right answer is option B, which is the operational inefficiency. Very important. Next question is this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. Okay, so this question says a policy aimed at enhancing globalization of the Nigerian economy is we have the regulation, indigenization, commercialization, privatization. So guys, right answer is option A, which is the regulation. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the reorganization of the public entity to make it self-accounting outside of government support is we have commercialization, privatization, industrialization, nationalization. The right answer is option A, which is commercialization. Very, very important, guys. Next question is this one. It says one of the major factors militating against industrialization in Nigeria is the very inadequacy of infrastructure facilities, absence of government participation, failure to get foreign partners and supporters, for frequent breakdown of equipment. Right answer is option A. This is the right answer, guys. Inadequacy of infrastructure facilities. Okay, so this is a major factor militating against industrialization in Nigeria. Next question is this one. It says industries for consumer goods are concentrated in urban centers as a result of rare weather condition, power supply, government policy, large market. Right answer is option D, which is large market. Next question is this one. It says the economic policy of privatization came up as a result of poor performance of where public, private, other enterprises, small scale business, public enterprises, commercial banks. So the economic policy of privatization came up as a result of the poor performance of public enterprises. Okay, that's the answer, guys. Option C. Next big question will be this one. It says industrialization is a prerequisite for balanced economic growth because it encourages option A. It encourages trade liberalization, enhances productivity in the manufacturing sector, expands employment opportunities in urban areas, stimulates the development of all sectors. The right answer is option D. Stimulates the development of all sectors. The next question is this one. It says in Nigeria, efficiency in public corporations can be achieved through where privatization, public offer, nationalization, indigenization. The right answer is option A, which is privatization. Next question is this one. It says one major factor that determines the location of industry is we have tax exemption grant, its proximity to the market, the capital base, the social responsibility of the firm. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is its proximity to the market. Last question before I end this video will be this one. It says external economies arises essentially from localization of industry, a firm's individual policies, free transferability of shares, government economic policy. So the right answer is option A, which is localization of industry. So this basically can do problems involving commercialization and privatization of in industrialization for your JAMB economy. To practice with 20 50 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams, like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.